This video will walk you through each step on how to efficiently utilize the email creator for sales. This application is designed to help sales team to create an empathetic and personalized email content, aims to convince the recipient to schedule a demo with a sales engineer. Complete these parameters before initiating a new conversation. These parameters are the basic for the email content. Enter recipient name. Enter the name of sender. Introduce your role. Specify the product or service which the recipient used. Provide details about the recipient's business. Describe the understanding of the recipient's potential needs or the challenges faced by the recipient. Enter the demo scheduling link. Initiate the conversation by clicking on Start Chat. Request the system to generate an email with the provided information. The agent will organize the email content based on the predefined prompts and input variable. As shown, the response involves greeting, self-introduce, customized product recommend, product overview, benefits of the demo and more related information. Provide the recipient with the demo scheduling information. It allows the recipient access the link for easy scheduling. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Email Creator for sales.